There's a sweet, sweet spirit in this place, and I know that it's the Spirit of the Lord. There are sweet expressions on His face, and I know that it's the presence of the Lord. Sweet Holy Spirit, sweet heavenly God, stay right here with us, filling us with your love. And for these blessings, we lift our hearts in praise. Without a doubt,